Gonna go right through my neck.
Do it again.
You're like, oh.
You totally. It's like scary. I don't like it. It'll hurt her. You can't mess up this trick or you'll hurt yourself. Because you do it so viciously.
You're gonna look very bad. Okay, now I can show you another trick.
Okay.
I learned this one from Melissa over there.
Melissa who? You know tricks. I know so many.
Okay.
He knows lots.
I'm gonna guess the cards. This is the 4 of clubs.
False.
You might want to learn clubs and spades first. Okay.
That's a shade, darling.
Okay. This is the 5 of spades.
True.
This is the